Adding preferred sellers on SmartShop is easy and rewarding. If you are a retailer, MSME or a builder, you get access to exclusive deals and discounts. Let's see how. Visit the SmartShop website and sign in to your account. Now, go to the My Account section. Click on My Favorite Sellers in the toggle menu and then click on the Add Favorite Seller option. You will now see a form with some of your auto-filled details. Fill in the remaining mandatory fields along with your correct PIN code. Next, click on the Check button to view nearby sellers in your region. Then, select your favorite sellers. To add multiple sellers, hold the Control button and click on the sellers' names you'd like to include. In case you're using a mobile phone, you can click on the check boxes to select your preferred sellers. Once done, add your KYC details, upload the relevant document and click on the Submit button. Your request will be sent to all the selected sellers for their confirmation. Now, you will see a bar displaying your chosen sellers and the status of your request. The status will be updated as soon as the seller takes action on your request. And that's it. Once the seller approves your request, log into your SmartShop account and start buying from your preferred sellers to avail exclusive deals and offers. Keep visiting SmartShop to avail the best deals curated specially for you. Happy shopping!